What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech, and from Honor's success last year with the Honor 8X comes its successor, the Honor 9X. It's got a Kirin 810 chipset, a 48 megapixel main camera, 4000 mAh battery, and yes, Google services. For now, let's check it out. Now, like its predecessor, the 9X sports a glass body with an aluminum frame. It's got thin bezels on the front panel with plus a notchless display thanks to its pop-up camera. Our unit is in the midnight black color, which looks classic and simple. However, you can also opt for the sapphire blue variant if you want something different. There's nothing found on the left side, but on the right side you find the power button and volume rocker. Up top are its elevating front camera together with the secondary microphone and a hybrid dual SIM tray. Meanwhile, at the bottom are the main microphone, downward firing loudspeaker, headphone jack, and USB Type-C port, which is a nice upgrade from the 8X's micro USB port. Flipping things over to the back side, placed here are the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, triple rear cameras, and LED flash. Like most smartphones, it is also a massive fingerprint magnet, so if that bothers you, better use a case. Now, taking a closer look at the display, we get a 6.59-inch IPS LCD full-view screen with a resolution 2340 by 1080. It's a decent display for its size, and if you're coming from the 8X, you won't see much of a difference aside from the absence of the notch. By the way, there's also a pre-installed screen protector, which is nice. Now, powering the 9X is a Kirin 810 chipset with a Mali G52 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. You get a 4000 mAh battery, and for software, you get EMUI 9.1.1 based on Android 9 Pie with support for GPU Turbo 3.0. Now, quickly on security, weirdly enough, it doesn't support face unlock in our region here in the Philippines, but it does compensate for this with its snappy and reliable fingerprint scanner. As for cameras, at the back, it's got a 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Meanwhile, on the pop-up camera resides a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. So far with these sample photos, under good lighting, we get sharp details, vibrant colors, though skin tones kinda look pale sometimes, especially with selfies, but we'll get more in-depth in that in our full review, so stay tuned for that. Now, currently, the Honor 9X is only available in China, starting at 1,399 Chinese yuan for the 4+64 variant. The rest of the prices should be on your screen right now, and for Philippines pricing, you guys will have to stay tuned for that. So that's it for now for the Honor 9X. Again, stay tuned for our full review and let us know what you guys think about this phone in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to receive future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.